負けたことがあるというのがいつか大きな財産になる。
So I would like to give it a shout out for last night's farewell party. Thank you so much for inviting us there, and I would like to shout out to you guys, especially to this. Shout out to Mizuho-chan, Yurika-chan, Tsuzumi-chan, Kaori-chan, and Ayumi-chan. Shout out to you guys, and I hope you guys will have a great day, and どうもありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。What's up mga Hitsuraang, mga choy, mga chay? This is Hitsuraang Kulisaw, and welcome back to another HK tutorials. And today's tutorial is all about daily used Japanese phrases. So let's get into it. Let's go! Woo! So we're not using Microsoft Paint today, we're using Photoshop. So let's go! So daily used Japanese phrase. Okay, let's begin. Okay, how you say let's begin in Japanese? Simple. Ha ji me ma shou. Hajimemashou. Okay, so how you say please listen in Japanese and how you write that one? That's ki ite ku da sai. Kite kudasai. So how you write? Please say it again. That's mo i chi do i te ku da sai. Mo ichido kudasai. So what's the Japanese? So please say it slowly. Mutto chichai chu, mutto yu chichai chu, yukkuri, motto yukkuri, itte chichai chu, itte kudasai. Motto yukkuri itte kudasai. How about please write? Kai te ku da sai. Kaite kudasai. Please memorize. Okay. O bo I te ku da sai. Oboite kudasai. Okay, please read. So how you say please read in Japanese? That's yo de ku da sai. Yonde kudasai. So how you say please answer in Japanese? Simple. Ko tai te ku da sai. Kotaite kudasai. So how you say that one in Japanese? Cho chichai chu to chotto ma chichai chu te ku da sai. Chotto matte kudasai. So how you say, is it okay? Simple. I double E desu ka. I desu ka? Okay, so how you write? Let's continue in Japanese. That's tsu zu ke ma shou. Tsuzukimashou. Silence please. That's shi zu shizu ka ni shizuka ni kudasai. Shizuka ni kudasai. Shizuka ni kudasai. 静かにください. So how you write? Tell me please in Japanese. That's all. してください. 教えてください. So how you say that in Japanese? Simple. わかりましたか? わかりましたか? Yes, I understand. はい。はい。わかりました。はい、わかりました。No, I don't understand. Okay? いいえ、いいえ。わかりません。わかりません。Okay? What's the Japanese of do you know? That's ちっちゃいつしていますか? してますか? If you know, yes, I know. Yes, I know. はい。してます。はい。してます。してます。How about if you don't know? No, I don't know. Okay, so what's the Japanese of no? I don't know. いいえ。知りません。いいえ、知りません。Hi, what's the Japanese term for please asking some favors? That's おねがいします。OK? お願いします。お願いします。お願いします。コーヒーお願いします。お願いします。Okay, so the last but not the least Japanese daily use Japanese phrase is please do your best. I know all of you guys know this one already, but I included it. Gan ba te ku da sai. Ganbatte kudasai. So your reply to that one is ganbarimasu. And that's it for today's lesson, guys, and I hope to see you in the next HK tutorials. And with that being said, this is Hitsuraang Kulisaw signing off. Peace!